Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone or iPad in iOS 16 or 17. Sometimes you might have a tough time getting Wi-Fi to work correctly on your iPhone. Despite being connected, website or apps might not load at times. It even becomes impossible for your device to join Wi-Fi network. Thankfully, I have come up with that solution, and let me show you how you can fix the problem Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. So the first step is check the router. The first step is to ensure that you are within the wireless router range and things are correct on this end. So you can just restart your router or you can get in the range. Then the next step is turn off Wi-Fi and reconnect. You can go to your iPhone settings and then turn off the Wi-Fi. Wait for a few seconds, like 5 seconds, then you can turn it on again and reconnect the device with the Wi-Fi. Then the next step is enable and disable airplane mode. You can just open the control center, enable the airplane mode and wait for like 5 or 10 seconds. Then you can disable the airplane mode and try to connect the Wi-Fi to see if it's working. If it's still not working, then the next step is restart your iPhone. This is an effective way for solving several iPhone network problems. When you restart your device, RAM is cleared, broken tasks are reset, misbehaving app get a refresh, and more. As a result, temporary problem get addressed. So if you don't know how to restart your iPhone, go to settings, click on general, scroll down, and here you will see the shutdown button. You can shut down your iPhone and turn it on again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the next step is forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi password. You can also see the password if you're using iOS 16 or newer. You can enter the passcode of your iPhone. Make sure that you have the password. Then you can forget this network and then try to connect the Wi-Fi again. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi. So once you have done this, and if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is turn off VPN. You might face issue when VPN is connected. To fix this issue, turn off the VPN using its application or settings. From the setting, you can go to setting, click on VPN, and make sure that status is disabled. If the VPN is connected, you can disable it from here. So once you have done this, then the next step is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. It is a good idea to have the newest version of the iPhone. To update your iPhone, you can go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update, make sure that you download and install it on your iPhone. So once you have done all these steps and if it's still not working, then the last step is reset network setting. This will delete all the network setting on your iPhone like saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device, VPN, and restore them to default. However, personal data like photos, videos, contacts, and apps won't be affected. Go to settings, click on general, click on transfer reset iPhone, click on reset network setting, enter the passcode of your iPhone and the reset network setting. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.